Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're checking out the 2023 Can-Am Commander. The seat covers inside here looking awesome. Black Dura Easy Care for the insert, the Sirphis Undertow for the trim. Just a beautiful looking set. Super durable, water resistant. And we do have an install video. We'll show you later how to put these on. But as you can see, custom fit around these sections as well, these little window cutouts right here. So you're gonna have that. Again, just a nice tight fitting cover. So it's gonna be great to protect from the dogs, protect from the outdoors, keep the seats nice on the underside there. Now, another little thing that we have on here, with really cool option, this is a MOLLE gun pocket. It's designed for your pistol. Actually, you drop your pistol on the inside there. Now you could put first aid supplies on the inside there, or what this customer is going to use it for is first aid supplies on the outside with the MOLLE pouch right there. Really nice setup there. So consider that as you're getting your seat covers built up. If you want to have, again, storage for your pistol or other gear, those are the MOLLE gun pockets there. And we did a driver and passenger MOLLE gun pocket on this setup. Again, just a beautiful looking set of seat covers. You can always see more at coversandcamo.com. Again, today with the 2023 Can-Am Commander. Looked great. Thanks so much.